guys, Laney and I are in 15th evening hunt. It's 2:30? 2:30 or so. It's getting set up. It is windy, but we're sitting down in the field where my daughter shot her doe last year. And last night we did some evening scouting in this field, and there's like 6 bucks out here chasing does. Probably about 45 minutes ago, Laney drove by. There were 6 does out here in the corner. So this is where we planned on hunting tonight. They're still right here. We slipped down this ditch, got set up, and hopefully 150-yard shot or so. Hopefully they're running around this field like they were yesterday. 4 o'clock, I expect some serious deer movement. So, well, hang tight, guys. We'll see what happens tonight for us. Laney's looking to shoot his first deer. That's goal number 1. We're gonna get this guy's first deer right here tonight. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Maybe if we're lucky, pull a double. This way. Running this way. Oh. Easy, easy. Easy. Dude, I'm walking right down here. Easy. Dude, get ready. Get ready. Dude, good first buck. Shoot him. Hold on. Get him to stop. Wait for a good shot. Hey! Hey! Shoot him. Oh, fuck. It got so wild. Big buck. Boy, Laney got his first buck, dude. That's a good first buck, bro. Ooh. Way to go, dude. Long time coming.
Was that about 4 or 5 years in the making?
Long time coming, bro. Opening day buck, dude. Opening day.
It's still opening day, isn't it?
It's crazy weather.
This morning felt so long. I feel like it's 2 days in already. Came screaming off another field.
But I just wanted to update you guys on kind of what happened with that big buck after Laney shot his buck. We're hooting and hollering after Laney got his buck, kind of talking about what happened, and then we got back to business to kind of figure out what happened with that bigger buck or where he went. I got set up on the edge of the field, and Laney went down the ditch into the other field and slowly worked his way down the edge of it to see if he could maybe bump out that deer in my direction. Laney was about 60 yards down the ditch, and he actually did bump that big buck out. He took off across the field. I had a crack at him probably about maybe 60 or 70 yards, and my gun misfired. Put another load in, took a shot, thought I missed, took another shot, thought I missed, and he ran all the way down to the edge of the field into the woods. We found a couple drops of blood, so we went into the woods, the trail that he was on, found a few more drops, and it started to freeze and rain on us. It was pouring down, 50-mile-an-hour winds. So we decided to back out. We were crossing the field, and as we're crossing the field, I kind of look back and see a big group of does. I got a doe tag that I wanted to fill. So I look at Laney, I said, hey dude, let's go see if we can get a crack at one of these does.
Oh my god. What the crap?
So after I knew that we had some blood on that big buck, I sat in that field that morning just kind of knowing that I was going to go check the area out and kind of see what happened with that big buck. So I hunted close, about 10 o'clock, got out of the field, went to the woods, and continued searching and for signs of just anything that would lead me to believe that this buck was down somewhere. My buddy Lainey came back over after some morning hunt, and we did, a pretty good grid search. I looked for several hours, and there was just nothing. There was a few hunters back in there as well, and unfortunately, there was no recovery on that buck.